Yeah. So many good things to say about this video. The most importantly though, I think that Queen Ifrica is one of the few people that understands the importance of saying something with our music and making sure that that message comes across visually as well.
Even if they don't want to hear it. Yeah,
but
man.
no, but that's when you have to say it. And the thing with it is that is from the recording right back to the final product when you're seeing the video. Ifrica, I forget your props.
Yeah, man. Queen.
You feel it and you understand it. And that was needed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, like that.
Yeah, man. Queen, thank you for always being bold, outspoken, unapologetic, right? About the issues. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at you and I'm thinking, is you we should ask about the anti-aging secrets. Yeah, but
you know what I mean, girl. I can give you a few tips.
But we really love the video and I love the makeup and the feeling of it. Thank you. I know this one is also gonna do well.
Yeah, man. Big up to Warrior Flame. Well, you done Jamaican accent.
Yeah, man.
That's why it's so bad. Okay.
You know, they did a really good job, and the wardrobe and everything was done by them. And Barbie, you know,
Barbie did the makeup. I am not surprised. Hey, Barbie.
Yeah, man, very innovative with the makeup. It works.
Yeah, man, big up Barbie.
Yeah. All right, so this is not the first time, though, that you touched on this subject. I mean, you did it with Daddy Don't Touch Me There. So tell us why it is so important. I mean, we know, but at the same time, like, you know, kind of get into why it's so important to keep this in people's minds.
You know, it's beginning to feel monotonous, to be honest. Because for the life of me and many others like yourselves sitting right there, we just can't understand why it is that we speak in such loud voices about what's happening, especially to our children now. And there's nothing being done. You know, it's almost as if, as the song suggests, you can cry, you can make noise, whatever it is that you plan to do, it will be falling on a deaf ear. And so now, where do we go from here? Do we want to make that noise and to continue making it? We have to really now look at the methods that they are using to influence our youth and start using them as well. And so, the video, the quality of the video, the theme of the video, all these things make a difference when young people have access to it because they can identify with the freshness and the color schemes and also what the song is saying. So it's about us collectively putting a greater effort. Thank you to Daytime Live, you know, to allow me to come on and to promote this single because together, that's how we're going to really get action going, you know what I mean?
All right, Queen, stay right there because we're going to take a quick break. And then when we come back, we can continue this needed discussion. All right, Daytime Live will be right back with the one and only Queen Ifrica.
True.